One test you did not write out. Mehul, not there. Nishta, 91%. Sarifa, Sarifa is not. Yeah, Kaushal. Sit down. Ranveer,
Yes, sir.
the marks are not good. Archit, you did not appear the test. Manasvi, no. Nehal, Janvi, Gauri, Kancha, Yomi, Devesh, 93%. Shardul, mark is not very good. Om, yeah, outside. Yeah. Listen. Whenever the revision test is going on, when is your maths revision test? Monday. Okay. What are the chapters? Linear and inequality and quadratic. Inequality. Linear inequations and quadratic equation. Practice the chapters. Okay. Yeah. Now do the
equation. Yes. Dark circle.
Look here. Simply if it is given this one. This is 3. Follow circle and okay, now this one. If it is dark circle, shade it. Understood or not? Now, in this one, suppose if it is the same question, x less than 3, comma x belongs to n. You have the solution set is what? 1, comma 2. Therefore, you will be doing what? Circles. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then 3. 0. Okay. Then, if it is w, here 0 also. So 0 also, then must map -1 also. Okay. If it is z, then what do you do? Etc. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 also. So here till the end, whatever, don't leave anything. You can put a darken over here. Don't shade anything over here. Okay, that's now. If it is equal to means 3 also included. Only this one for these all. If it is n, if it is w or z, your solution set is this one. Okay, list. Okay, whereas in the case of nothing is mentioned or r, your it is subset and it is properties at builder form. Done? Yes. Okay. Done. Anything? Any doubts or difficulties are there? Zero is not a natural number. Natural number start from 1 only. Yes, 1, 2 only. 1. I mark 1 and 2 only. No? Isn't it? I mark 1 and 2 only. X less than 3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I changed it. All number 0 is there.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? The other doubts are maybe you want to 3 take picture. Why you not? Okay now. Any doubts or difficulties? Anybody have? Worse. What is the doubt? What is the doubt?
Sin theta is equal to 0.857. What is that?
So you can find out theta.
Yes.
Look here. Sin theta is equal to 0.883. No?
Yes.
83.
857.
857. That's all. 857 means 8570. Okay, take the table. Sign table take. The others no need to take. No doubts now. Tell us. 857, have you seen 8570? 870. Before that.
857.
Huh?
857.
Where? It is 8563. Anna? 8563 and 8 you see. That is that's good. This is how much? 57 degree, 54 minutes plus 5. Whatever it is. 58 degree, 54 minutes plus 55 degree, 59 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in that you look at us 55, 58, 58 degree, 54 plus 5. That is equal to 88, 59. So tan you find out same. Can find out now?
Yeah.
Same process. Any other doubt? Yeah. Well, said any doubt? That you can do now. No, I'm not giving questions right now. Huh? Little here and there, not much. If it is exactly, check there. The previous value see and add. Generally, mostly in the exam, you will see the exact value from the you will not get this was 8570 now. You will not get the exam like that 8569 only because it was one was like. Okay now. Read loudly. Question.
Use the table find effective angle theta if value of tan theta is 1.06.
Tan theta is equal to
1.06.
1.06. That's all. Yes or no? Check the table, tan table, check 1.06. Tan table take. Tangent. 1.06 after 45. 1.006 now 006 nahi hai na? Only 1.06. So it is coming at 45 degree. 06 no? 45 degree 1 minute 035 no? And plus 06. 35 plus 24. 06 means it is 0575 plus 25. So 5 is coming as 36 plus 4. 46 degree 40 minutes. Understood or not? Okay, values you check. Nothing else? No problem. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Listen, now we will start with this one. AP now.
Yes, sir.
AP we started something, we did something. First exercise we started doing it. First exercise we completed or what?
No.
Okay. Yeah, Devesh, give an AP. What is AP?
The sequence of numbers.
See, what's the any sequence in AP? Huh?
Which are common difference and
You tell its general form, that is enough.
for example 2, 4.
Are they general form you tell? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Where A is the first term and A is the common difference. Sit down. Home. How will you find out whether the sequence is an AP or not?
If the fixed number is equal.
Fixed number, how will you find out? T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. All the differences are equal means it is an AP. Okay. How do you find the nth term of the Sanvi formula?
And term is.
Tn is equal to.
N
Huh?
N minus 1 plus.
Huh?
N minus 1 4D plus.
Tell the formula. It's so simple. One formula only, na. Tn is equal to.
A plus N minus 1 times B.
We do. That is only the one formula you studied now. A plus N minus 1D. Tn or last term, same thing. A plus N minus 1 into D. What is A? First term. What is D? N.
Number of
Number of terms. Tn. Last term, nth term, general term. This is the formula we study. Sit down, sit down. Now, we were doing the exercise. Which one? 10.1. Sixth question. The fifth one we are done now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the sixth. The fifth and sixth term of the AP are respectively 6 and 5. Find the 11th term. So, sixth term of the AP means what is the meaning? T6. T6 is equal to how much is given? 5.
Sixth.
And fifth, sorry, opposite. Fifth is opposite, same one. T5 is equal to 6 and T6 is equal to 5. Is the value it is given? Now, first you write the formula. What is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 times T. Now, therefore, what is T6 or T5 is equal to A plus 4D. Therefore, A plus 4D is equal to 6. Condition 1. And T6 means what?
T6 is equal to A plus
A. So you can write T6 equal to A plus 5D. I am writing repeated steps, not required. Therefore, A plus 5D is equal to how much? 5. Second condition. Solve these two simultaneous equation. Find A and D.
Yes.
All of you know how to solve simultaneous equation?
Yes, sir.
Out of time. So solve it and get the value of A and D. Two equations, solve simultaneously, get the value of A and D. So these people will not be coming till the revision test getting over. When is the revision test getting over? 6:30. Okay, we will then meet the society. A and D got it?
Yes, sir.
What is the value? Both A and D.
Minus.
Both are minus one.
No, sir. A is fine.
A plus 4D is equal to 6. A plus 5D is equal to 5. Change the sign to subtract.
So the D is minus.
Minus D is equal to 1. D is equal to minus 1. All of you got?
Yes, sir.
Replace in one of the equations, substitute in one. What is it? A plus 4 times minus 1.
A is equal to 11.
A is equal to 6 plus 4. 10.
11.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, now what is find out? T11. Right. T11 is equal to A plus 10D. A 10 plus 10 times minus
0.
What happened? Well, how did you get T6? T5 is equal to this one. What is Tn? In this formula, we replace everything. T11 is equal to 0. All of you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Remember, what is T1? A. T2, A plus D. T3, A plus D. T10, T20, T100. Let's see, the main formula is this one. 1 less than. That's only you have to remember. Directly you can write it. There you go. Okay, 7th question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Om, read the question.
Find the 10th term from the end of the AP 4, 9, 14.
Etc. 254. The question is asked is what happened when we not understanding you are not there. So 10th term from the end, not from the is it T10 we have to find out?
No, sir.
We have to find out from the last. So we will find out first is what is n.
Yes.
How will you get n? We are right. It's already given. AP is given in the question. Yes. So A is equal to how much? 4. D is equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. Last term Tn is equal to how much? 254. Formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Replace the values and get the value of n. We have Tn, we have A, we have D. Get the value of n, all of you. Value of n. Carefully do it. These are all additions, subtractions only. Be very careful. Your own way simplification do. Value of A, D also substitute. Who will substitute for D? How this one is coming? N is not given now. You have to find out n now. We have A, we have D, we have D here.
49.
Yes.
So 51.
254 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into how much? 5. You can open the bracket or I'll bring this one 254 minus 4, 250 is equal to n minus 1 times 5. You can divide 250 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 50 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 50 plus 1. 51. So there are how many terms? All of you listen now. In this AP, how many terms are there? 51 terms. We have to find out the 10th term from the end. Careful. Now tell me, here in this AP, how many terms are there? 51. Which is the first term from the end? T51. Listen carefully. Stop writing and listen. There are how many terms are there? That is, this is what? T1, T2, T3. What is this term? T51, T54. Sorry, T51. T51 is the first term. T51 is the first term from the end. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the second term? What is it? Again, don't shout and listen. Then what is second term from the end? T50. So you subtracted only 1. What is the third term from the end? T49. So you subtracted how much? 2. So 10th term from the end will be what? T100, T41. It is wrong T41. Count. You people will not understand what is look here. T51 is the first term from the end. What is T50? Second term from the end means 51 minus 1. T49, third term of the now it is coming. You are 10th term from the end is Tn minus 9. That is equal to T42 will come. This is first term. Simply, you can calculate T41 and all, but you check which is the one is coming. This is the first term. This is a stop talking. The first term from the end is T51. Second term from the end is how much? T50. 50 is obtained, 51 minus 1. Third term from the end is what? 49. 49 is how do you get it? 51 minus 2. For third term, you have to get minus 2. So 10th term means what you have to subtract? 9 only to subtract. No need to subtract 10. Therefore, this is T42. So T42 is what? A plus 41D now. What is the value of A? 4 plus 41 into 5. How much? 4 plus
205.
205. How much? 209. If you are finding T41, that is not. That is coming as 204. Understood? Still doubt is there, tell me. You count and say, see, you have to be first term, last term is called the first term from the end. Second last term is the second term from the end. Third last term is the third term of the end. So, that way you have to find out. T51, T50. Now, done all of you?
Yes, sir.
There's a little shorter way I can tell you. Little short, this much is clear, all of you. Another way is here, this is an AP, this one. It's reverse AP if I write. What will be its reverse AP? 254, 249, 244, etc. Last is 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
We need to find out what 10th term from the end of this AP will be same as 10th term from the beginning of this AP. You will write that step. 10th term from the end of this AP is same as 10th term from the beginning of this AP. Here, what is the value of A? 254. What is the value of D?
5 minus 2 minus 5 minus
249 minus 254. That is equal to minus 5. Find out T10. A plus 9B. How much you will get? A is 254 plus 9 times minus 5. How much you will get?
254 minus 5.
How much?
209.
Okay. This AP is 10 term from the AP. Last is same as this AP is 10 term from the beginning. That you have to write the step. Consider this AP here, this one. Then it's reverse AP, this one. 10th term from the last of this AP will be same as the 10th term from the beginning of this AP. Ulta step. Okay, opposites. Then this way you can write it. If it is this is both the same thing only. Okay now? So in this case, you don't need to find out n in the second part. Whichever the way you can do it. That is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so confusion is there, tell me. I'll explain to you. Siddhara, what happened? No problem? Sure. So, yes, breathe. What discussion? No problem. Okay. Yeah. So we discussed about AP, so nth term we discussed. Now listen for properties. Let me see whether the properties are coming to you. Exercise your 10.2 is the same properties we have to apply only, nothing much to do it wherever. You have to read, think and do it. Okay, it's not that you have to do the same properties only, nothing to do it. But basically, once again, the chapter is not very complicated. What is the meaning of an AP? It is a sequence of numbers. What is the property of the sequence of numbers? Each term is added with a fixed number. See here. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. That 5 is called the common difference. This is called the first term. A is the first term, common difference. And the formula for finding any term is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. That only you have to think. Then the remaining you have to use your think and do it. That only you have to. Okay, take the second exercise. Second exercise. Taken? Yes. Yes, read the question.
In an AB, 10 times of its 10th term is equal to 30 times of its 30th term. Find its 48th term.
What is given?
10 times of its 10th term.
What is the meaning of 10 times of 10 term?
10 into
10 multiplied by T10 is equal to
30 times
30 times
30.
T30. Are you followed? Now you have to find out what 40th term. So we have T10. What is the formula for T10?
A plus 90.
So 10 into A plus 90 will be equal to how much? 30 into A plus 2090. Can you simplify and get the relation between A and D? All of you. Are you followed, all of you? Followed. T10 is same as A plus 90. T30 is same as A plus 2090. So simplify and get a relation between A and D. Substitute, simplify. How did you get 15? What is it? This is 30 now. Simplify. Hey, look here. Most of you people are opening the bracket. Look. First and foremost, listen now. First and foremost thing, you can divide by 10 now. Yes or no? So what will be left out? A plus 9D is equal to 3 times A plus 2090. If your multiplication is not wrong, this is easy now, dividing by 10. Even multiplication done, no problem. Therefore, A plus 9D is equal to 3A plus 87D. Did you get this match? Shift this one all to the right side. 0 is equal to 3A plus 87D minus A minus 9D. That is 3A minus A is what? 2A plus how much? 78D. Can you do simplify further? Cannot divide by 2. Dividing by 2. Again divide by 2, what will you get? A plus 39D is equal to 0. You got this much? Those who are multiplied and simplified, you must reach till here. You got it this much?
Yes.
Now what you find out? 40th term. So you will write T40 is equal to, what is the formula? A plus 39D. What is the value of A plus 39D? 0. Therefore, T40 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Please select from 1. Check the step. Reach the very difficult. All of you, written all of you. Now, have we seen any property? Look here. Before going to do this one. 10, whatever.
Now it will come 0.
What is written over here?
A plus 39D is equal to 0.
What is this?
A plus 39.
So that is equal to 0 now. Written up from 1, value of A plus 39D. Now look, all of you look here. See, 10 times 10th term is equal to 30 times 30th term. What value becomes 0? 40th, 10 plus 30. So it's same way. If I take 5 times 5th term, anything I take, 5th term is equal to 7 times 7th term. Then what will be equal to 0? 12th term addition done na, T12 will be equal to 0. Or any number you can, 11 times 11th term is equal to, let's say 4 times 4th term, which 15th term will be 0. You will be getting, that is a property, you will, this is the way done the question. Okay, find the value, it's automatic. So why I'm showing this one, sometimes these all types of questions will come for MCQs. Okay now? Yeah, Even there is another interchanging we have done in the previous exercise. Have you noticed? The second last question. Have you seen? Second last question, 6-1. Fifth term was, see, what was given? T5 was 6, T6 is equal to 5. Therefore, T11 is equal to 0. If it is, for example, T10 is equal to, let's say, 8. Then T8 will be equal to 10. Then we say T8 is equal to 0. This our property automatically will satisfy. Okay, this is another property. Anyway, now, next one. Question. Question number 2. So, if you read.
If the third and the ninth terms of a arithmetic progression are 4 and -8 respectively, which term of it is 0?
So, yes. What is given? Which term of it is 0? Okay, so right. What is given over there? Third and ninth term. So, what is it? T3 is equal to, all of you do it yourself. T3 is equal to how much is given?
4.
T3 is equal to 4. Then T9
9
is equal to
-8.
-8. Use the formula and find out value of A and D. You have to find out which term is 0. Value of N you have to find out. So T3, what is the formula? What is the formula for T3?
Plus 2D.
Therefore, A plus 2D is equal to 4. Reason the formula you write, Tn is equal to A plus A plus. And that is first condition, same way. A plus 8D is equal to -8. Second condition. Solve and get the value of A and D, all of you. Hey, don't you shout, nobody will shout. You wait. I will ask, there are a lot of people got it. Let all of you get the value of A and D. Are they okay? I will tell you. How many of you got the, why are you looking there? Try to do it yourself. Solving simultaneous equation. This is the 8th standard work only. 3 people all combined or no? Separate. 3 plus 4, 7. What happened? Hello. A and D got it. Yes. Yes. What's the value of A? 8. 8. D -2. All of you got this one? Those who did not get, look here. A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to -8. What is to be done? Subtract. Subtract means change the sign. All the sign change. Cancel. 2 minus 8. -60 is equal to 12. D is equal to -2. Substitute. Anywhere. A plus 2 times -2 is equal to 4. Therefore, A is equal to 4 plus 4. 8 now. A is equal to 8. Now, so you got the value of A and D. Okay, what is the question is given?
So when the value of
Which term is equal? That means Tn is equal to 0. This is given. Value of N, find N. So use the formula. We are Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So you have D, you have A, you have Tn. Substitute and get the value of N. Don't. There are, do you want to see how many has got the answer? Those who got the answer is that. Nobody says no, you are the only one. Let all of them do it now. Replace. Which term is 0? Huh? Breathe. Steps are written in your book. You have 3 values. A is there, D is there, Tn. All 3 substitute. Shardul, what are you doing? Yes. Do fast and get the answer. Those who did not get, 0 is equal to 8 plus N minus 1 times -2. Okay, now, if you want to simplify, whatever you want to do, 8 minus 2n plus 2. That is 10 minus 2. 2n is equal to 10, it is equal to 1. Therefore, which term is 0? Fifth term is 0. Okay, same answer?
Yes.
Okay, done. Tell, oh, today, your friend is not there, that's why, otherwise, can't check. Tell, read the next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 87? Listen, all of you. Did you follow what is the question?
Yes, sir.
How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 87? Yes. So which are 3-digit numbers? Starting from 100, ending at 999. 999. Now, out of which how many are divisible by 87? What? Who said that? How did you get 11? Counting. Now, look here. All of you listen. First, you all want to explain. First, you have to find out the list of numbers which are divisible by 87. You have to find out the list of numbers which are divisible by 87. I'll explain. Listen carefully. Because this one, instead of 3-digit number, it may be 6-digit number. Now, look here. What you do means, take the first number. What is the first number? 100. Oh. Don't know. Now, look, we will 100 you divide by 87. So 87 is divided 1 only 87 and what is it? 30. Is it 100 is divisible by 87? No, because why? Remainder is 30. When the remainder is 0. So how will you make the remainder 0? 100 minus 30, which is equal to 87. Now, 87 is divisible by 30. No, sorry, 87 is it. Now, but this is not a 2-digit number. Not 187. How much? 174. So first 3-digit number divisible by 87 is 174. What will be the next one?
Plus 87.
Plus 87. How much?
261.
261. Okay. Then this way. This way. Listen. Now, how will you listen carefully? How will you find the last 2-3-digit number divisible by 87? Take the last 3-digit number, 999, divided by 87. So how much you'll get? 1 are 87. How much left out? 12. 129. Again, how much? 1 are 87. How much? 42. So remainder is coming as how much? 42. Is it divisible by 87? No. How do you make 999 minus 42? How much? 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. Therefore, the last number divisible by 87 is 957. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now, what those who have that, what is the doubt?
Can you explain?
What you divided, you take the, did you read the question? What is the question? Find the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 87. First 3-digit number divided by 87. Remainder become 13. So it is not divisible by 87. So subtract that remainder. So 100 minus 13 is 87. You cannot start with 87 because 3-digit number. So add 87, 174. 174 is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 87. Keep on adding 87. Now he is not listening. Keep on adding 87. To get the last one, same way, same process done. Are you followed or not? Okay, so this much all of you followed. So
Yes, sir.
this one is a rough work. So write the list. This much is written. All right, list of numbers. List of 3-digit numbers divisible by 87 are. List of 3-digit numbers divisible by 87 are 174, 261, etc. 957. Written below right. It is an AP, 261, etc. It is an AP. Compulsory you have to write. Where A is equal to how much? 174. What is the value of D? 87, because we had it already now. And last term Tn is equal to what? 957. They ask how many? How many means value of n. So number of terms. And so use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. All of you do it. Yes. Without, don't shout. Value of n, find out. Substitute. Yes, sir. Aram say I'm coming. Are you ready? Show your notebook. Show your notebook. That is it. Go. Do the sum. Chemistry will not do in between. What is it? It's not me. What is the answer? Hello. Do the work. Replace. Simplification is your work. See how it is getting. I will substitute and 957 is equal to 87 plus n minus 1 times 87. Then A is equal to not 87, 174.
Sir, they won't ask how 174 and 261 are A.
Not required. You write this one. Okay. That all you got it now.
Yes.
Don't make mistake. What happened? What all you wanted to see? What all is written over there? Since long time you are seeing. Now, got the answer?
Yes.
If you want, you can do divide throughout by 87. Because this is divisible by 87, this is divisible by 87, this is divisible. So if you are dividing by 87, what will you get here?
783.
Huh? 87. Ones are. And this is 11 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1. Reason is dividing by 87. So 11 is equal to 1 plus n. N is equal to 10. Whichever the way, this is, I am not, whichever the way you get, that is important. Okay. Are you followed, all of you? Okay now? Okay. So right. One question right before doing. How many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers between? How many 3-digit numbers between 300 and 800 which are divisible by 300 and 800 which are divisible by 15? 1 5. 300 and 800 which are divisible by 15. 1 5. So first you have to find out the sequence. The same like the question. Then what is the difference? So you do it simple. You see, you think and do it. What's the answer? What happened?
301.
Start with 300 now.
Start between 300.
So you do it and show to me now.
700 and 800 now.
Between 300 and 800, which are divisible by 15. Division and all, you can do it as rough only. Who is dividing the, hello? Do it now, you divide, I show now, how did you divide and show that now? You find out now. I show now how to divide and all, you divide and try to get. Yes, that's our important. Guiding the sequence. How it is getting us not important sequence I need. Sequence, how many of you got the sequence? 2, 3, 4. Next, what sequence? Okay. After 300 is plus 18. All of you listen here. Listen. Okay. Pratham standard sequence you got. Okay, tell the sequence system.
300, 350, 330, etc. And the last term is 370. 395.
795.
785.
All of you got this one. 300.
95 है ना
795. 795.
13 का लगता है
All of you listen. 300, 315, 330, etc. Last term is how much? 795. Is there anyone got different one? All of you got the same thing?
Yes,
Now listen, all of you are wrong. Why I tell you now? All of you listen, stop writing. One fellow, Ranveer, listen here. Do you know what is the meaning of between?
Yes.
What is the meaning of between? So did you make a bulla? You do it now, I said no. What is the meaning of between? Is it 300 is included? Not included. No. Find the numbers between 5 and 6 means there is no number now. 5 and 7 means only 6. Like that. So its sequence is starting with 315. 330.
extra 725
Okay. Now the sequence is 315. D is 15, 795. Remaining do it. Be careful. That is why I given this one so that I know majority do telling. One fellow shouted, but he did not. Then you are looking at it. That's why I said, don't look. When you take look here, you take 300 and divide. Yes, but it is not there. Next number. Sidra, got the answer?
student
795 is equal to 315 plus n minus 1 into 15. If you want to subtract, you will get a 0, 8 and 4. 480 is equal to n minus 1 times 15.
so we can divide by 15
You do it now. You can do any method now, any method you can do it. Yes or no?
34
So,
34
got it or not?
34 sorry 32
So finally what is
30
so 34, 32, the two people really do it now.
32 n is equals to 30
Hello, look here. After this step, do it yourself. There are various ways. Some must have divided by 15. Some must have done this way. Some must have opened the bracket and do. Whatever is your convenient way, do it. It is no hard and fast rule. You have to do this way or that way. It's up to you. Get the answer. That's it. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Later I'll give another one. Then I'll see how many people. Okay. Now, right, next one. Yeah. What is the next question? If A, B, C, D are in AP. Question like textbook following question. If A, B, C, not D. A, B, C are in AP, show that A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4 are in AP. And 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. So, A, B, C are in AP. Ah. Now look here. I'll explain. Huh? 4.1. What is 4.1? Now, look now. Stop talking and listen. If A, B, C are in AP, listen here. T2 minus T1 will be equal to T3 minus T2. That means what? B minus A is equal to C minus B. Yeah, keep quiet now. B minus A is equal to C minus B. Now, this is the condition. Or if you want to do, there are simplifications. If you want to do means B you can bring over here. Then what will you get here? 2B is equal to A plus C or B is equal to. Now, what we need to prove? A plus 4. Yes or no? B plus 4 and C plus 4. You have to prove in AP. So here also find out what is T2 minus T1. What is T2 minus T1? B plus 4 minus in brackets A plus 4. That is same as how much? B minus A. B plus 4 minus A minus 4. That is B minus. So T2 minus T1 you got as how much? B minus. Okay, this you solve this equation. Now T3 minus T2 find out how much you will get? C plus 4 minus B minus 4. Same thing. That is C minus B. But what is equal? But B minus A is equal to C minus B. Reason for what? Therefore, what did we get? T3 minus T2 is equal to T2 minus T1. Therefore, T1, T2, T3 are in AP. What is AP? That is A plus 4, B plus 4, C plus 4 are in AP. Check the step. That means if you added any number, it will be in AP. You see the step now. Are in AP. Do the second part. Let's see how you do it. Similar form only check. Are you with me? Check the steps. We found out what is T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. We got what? Both are equal to 3 are in AP. What will you say? We move the other side. Now, second part got it? What are the ones? 4A, 4B, 4C. The same part only. Have you noticed? 4A, 4B, 4C. So you must have got T2 minus T1 now.
Yes.
How much?
So T2 minus T1 is equal to 4B minus 4A.
So T2 minus T1 is equal to 4B minus 4A. That is same as 4 times B minus A now.
Yes.
Okay. Then T3 minus T2. 4C minus 4B. That is same as what? 4 times C minus B. We have, what is it? B minus A is equal to C minus B. Yes or no? Therefore, you can multiply. If you multiply 4, that will be equal now. Therefore, 4 times B minus A will be equal to 4 times C minus B. If these are equal, then 4 times also will be equal now. Therefore, what we get? T3 minus T2 is equal to T2 minus T1. Therefore, T1 comma T2, T3 are in AP. What happened?
B minus A there.
That is 4A, 4B, 4C are in AP. Have you seen what we have done? There are 3 numbers are in AP. If you add a fixed number, the resulting thing also is in AP. It's the next one. If you multiply a fixed number, the resulting one also is in AP. So subtract also same process will come. Divide also same property will come. This is the property you have done. So that is the condition you got it. This is exercise. Listen carefully. Your school exam test papers are going on. Yes, sir. Huh? Yours, Nehru not started. When are they starting? Next to next week. Yeah. 16. Then which are chapters here? Hey, be quiet now. So your probability you can do yourself now. It's easy one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Listen. The probability is just read only. It's very simple. 9th or 3rd probability. Yeah. And yeah. All of you listen. Stop talking. If you have school work to do, means homework, you practice the chapters of the which are coming for the revision test. Okay. Since till the revision test, practice this work you can leave it as pending. Those who have the exam. But I wanted to see the practice of the previous chapter. Means whichever the test paper.
What is the
Practice the previous. Okay. Understood or not? Huh?
test guy practice?
Test ka chapter only practice now. What are the chapters? Linear equation for that practice.